Sawadee krab.
Hello and welcome to All About Thailand by me. My name is Me, and today I would like to talk about Maga Bangna, this huge chunk of a shopping mall near Bangkok in Samut Prakan. It's about 30 km from Bangkok, and it's really huge. You can't miss it. The basic area of the shopping mall is 400,000 square meters, and the gross leasable area is 225,000 square meters. It's huge. Yet it takes only to the 10th place, this shopping mall, only in Thailand, which is crazy. Anyway, if you are in Bangkok, then yeah, please go and spend the day over there. It's really good. You find everything there, so you can bring the whole family. It can be a family activity. You find something for the kids, something for everyone. Basically, you find a number of restaurants, all kind of shops, all kind, really. You can't imagine how many shops they have there. I would say we talking about over 500 retail shops in Maga Bangna. It has two floors, first floor and second floor, as they call it by the American way, or let's just say Thai way. In the UK it would be ground floor and first floor, but I'm gonna refer to it in a Thai way like first floor and second floor when I'm talking about the shops. So if you want a good coffee, you can go there. You find plenty of cafes, different price, different quality, amazing ones, cake shops, bakeries, supermarkets, hypermarkets. So really you will need a day to walk properly around Maga Bangna. And I'm talking about walking around because the base of the shopping mall is like a dome shape. It's almost like an American football, but the shopping mall has its additions, like little additions, huge additions actually. So where, let's say, IKEA is placed, or there is a new addition at the south of the shopping mall which occupied merely by restaurants, only restaurants there, and a supermarket. There's a tiny ground floor area, or let's say basement, where there's a Tops supermarket, which I really like. So Tops supermarket, you can do your grocery shopping. You will definitely find everything there what you need, even if you're a Western person, a Westerner. So let's just walk into central Bangna. It has 7 entrances, so it depends where you're gonna get in. Let's say there's a main entrance in the center if you approach from Bangkok, and over there, if you go in at the left, in the northeast left corner, there's gonna be a huge IKEA which starts on the first floor, but actually it's occupying the second floor as well. That area, so northeast area, starts with an IKEA. Near the IKEA, next to the IKEA, why not another home decoration shop, the Thai version, Home Pro. And next to Home Pro, there is a huge department store. So the northwest to the north area, it's all about a home decoration. If you need to buy furniture, anything for your home, yeah, you can definitely go there. If you walk to the eastern side of the shopping mall, then you will find a huge Big C hypermarket. In my previous videos, I think I spoke about Big C, which is like a chain in Thailand. It has mini markets, it has normal local supermarkets, and it has a few flagships like hypermarkets, and one of them is there at Maga Bangna. So again, that's a hypermarket. You can buy anything from food to electronics. It's really huge. You can find it at Maga Bangna. If you go to the south part, or let's just say if you go to the east a little bit, there's gonna be a fashion zone, and it's called like a pink zone. I forgot to mention all the zones in Maga Bangna are they have their color. So if you want to go to fashion shopping, then you need to look for the pink zone. You need to look for the signs where's the pink zone. Otherwise, Yes, it's quite easy to get lost in there. It's huge. Again, it's a really huge mall. So if you ask the customer service like where's the fashion section of the mall, they will say, look for the pink signs, follow the pink signs, and if you go there, you will find I don't know how many, a lot of fashion retail shops. Yeah, you will need money if you want to buy things over there. Really high quality brands, the biggest names. Yeah, I never bought anything there to be honest, but I used the services east from the fashion, from the pink zone, which is the green zone, and it's occupied by banks. You will find all kind of banks you find in Thailand, also international banks, mostly for Chinese or Asian, Southeast Asian customers. Also, there's a post office, a big post office, Thailand Post, so you can use their services as well. And also near the bank zone, there is the so-called yellow zone, which is like wellness. Call it wellness, so you will find all kind of beautification things. I don't know why it's called wellness. Anyway, wellness or perfume shops, Dior, Victoria's Secret, Sephora. I don't really know those brands, so I'm just saying what I can say. And near the wellness part, there is a jewelry part. Sorry, so many jewelry shops. If you want to buy gold, diamond, crystal, whatever. Again, that part of the shopping mall, I didn't really visit. I haven't really visited yet. Maybe in the future if I win the lottery. So let's go to the second floor. Before I go, let's just mention the south part again. It's full of restaurants, but imagine hundreds of restaurants, cafes, sweet shops, bakeries. They have all kind of bakery, and I would like to mention, so apart from popular Asian, Southeast Asian chains like Yamazaki Bakery, you will find, let's say, Pole, which is a bakery. We have it in the United Kingdom. I'm not sure where is it originated from. Probably from France. Sorry if I'm wrong. Anyway, if you want like a Western style sausage plate or Western style bakery stuff, then you can go there and you can get it there. And now move to the second floor. If we start from the south part of the dome, again on the second floor, first thing you will find again restaurants. Again, cafes. You can buy pizza. I should maybe mention that there are countless of Japanese restaurants, Korean restaurants, of course Thai restaurants, and Western restaurants. Places you can find the food you need. Also, of course, the big chains like, let's mention one, McDonald's representing themselves, or Swensons. Do we have Swensons in the UK? I'm not sure. So anyway, when I'm in Thailand, I usually go to Swensons at least once for a nice cake or ice cream. On the second floor, the northwestern area part of the shopping mall, there is like a kids area, so there's a yellow zone, so-called yellow zone. You find Toys R Us, which we have in the UK, and countless of toy shops. Also, not just toy shops, activity places. So there are also arcades. So if you want to play with some game like, or little, I don't know, train going around. So there is entertainment for kids, not just shops, entertainment. Also there are basically schools, language schools in the shopping mall, educational places. If you need a tutor for your child, maths, English, whatever, you're gonna find it there. Excuse me. East from the yellow zone, there is the grey zone. It's situated in the central north part of the shopping mall, and the grey zone called IT City. So everything what's IT you will find there. Computers, all kind of accessories for them. I bought my laptop over there with the Thai keyboard, and also I bought other smaller items there, all good quality, all reliable. So proper nice computer shops, computing everything what you need. or if you are into games, for gaming, you will find everything there. And one interesting story, it's a very nice little story happened to me. I don't remember what was the original item I bought in IT City, a small item, and I needed to buy also, and I remember that was a external DVD player. I bought the small item in one shop, and I asked them like, do you have the external DVD player? They said, yes, we do, but if you need that brand, then you can buy it 2 shops away, 2 shops ahead, for like much cheaper price. And yes, that's exactly happened, and I was really grateful. So who in Europe would tell you that like, yeah, please buy it over there because it's gonna be cheaper for you? Just a little story happened to me over there. Really nice place. Again, east from the IT City, there is again kind of part of IT City, but it's different colored zone. I don't remember what's the color of the zone, maybe red. Anyway, you can buy mobile phone accessories, all kind of hundreds of little shops, almost like stalls in the street, but it's in a shopping mall. Plenty of them, really hundreds. I would say hundreds of them. For me, they selling almost the same accessories and stuff, yet somehow they survive, and yeah, it's good to know they do. I probably didn't mention the center of the second floor, which is like the sports zone. That's a blue zone. Yeah, there's a big sportswear shop and all kind of sports retailers you can imagine, from Adidas to Under Armour, also Caterpillar. You will find everything there. Also, they have Asian shops. I mean, I believe they are Asian. I never seen them in Europe. Banana Run and Elixir, some kind of Elixir sports shop. So you will find Asian shops as well, Asian retail, sports retails. And if we move a little bit to the east part again, there's a huge cinema, a mega cineplex. It has 15 screens and I remember 3,445 seats. I've been there quite a few times. It's really good. You know what you can expect from a clean and nice cineplex. So, and the popcorn is amazing. So I don't know what else shall I mention to you. Probably a little bit the restaurants in the outer zone. So if you walk out from the dome, there's gonna be the extension from the south side of the shopping mall, which is restaurants. You will find, I don't know if it's still open. I think last time it was temporarily closed. IHOP, guys. Yeah, if you've been to the US, then you know IHOP. Amazing breakfast. So, my God, I love English breakfast, but IHOP breakfast is probably the best. And there is an IHOP restaurant indeed over there. Also, there are salad bars, seafood restaurants, you name it. You can imagine, if you can imagine all kind of restaurants, then you're right, you're gonna find them there. So everything. Also, there is a DHL office, I think, if you need to send a package to somewhere. Supermarkets, 7-Elevens. I think I mentioned everything I wanted. Again, it's a really huge shopping mall, and you're gonna spend the whole day there if you want to. You don't have to. Obviously, I have to mention free parking, so you can get free parking. I don't know if it's 8 hours or 12 hours, but possibly even if it's 8 hours, then you can manage. And I don't think you have to pay a fortune to pay for your extra hours you spend at the car park. It has a huge car park, so it never happened we couldn't find any parking space. Again, Maga Bangna, a very nice place. It's commercial, of course, and if you like independent shops, then probably you're not gonna visit there. On the other hand, it's really a nice place. I wanna say cool place. I've visited IKEA there, Home Pro, all necessary things I needed to decorate our condo and stuff. So the restaurants are again amazing, and yeah, you should just go there. Also, if you're a Westerner, and you're missing Western tastes, Western food, then you can go there and you will definitely find those over there. So I'm gonna finish it now. I could talk about it a little bit more, believe me. And Central Bangna, the little brother of Maga Bangna, I would like to make a video in the future because Central Bangna is my personal favorite shopping mall, and if I have to make the video later on, I'm gonna tell you why. So I just want to thank you for now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the kind comments, all the likes, and please, yeah, please like my videos if you really like it. Give me a thumbs up, or subscribe if you want to. Please support the channel, support my work. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate all kind of attention, everyone who's watching my videos. So thank you so much again, guys, and see you next time. ขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ